Why does my power window move slowly? Autodoc tips. Causes and repair methods for electrical malfunctions. 1. A blown fuse. This can occur as a result of a short circuit, water getting on electrical components of the system, or motor failure. The fuse will need to be replaced. If the problem reoccurs, you'll need to find and repair the cause of the blown electrical fuse. 2. A low/dead car battery or a broken alternator. Check these units using a multimeter. When the engine and power consumers are turned off, the voltage across the battery terminals should be 12 to 12.7 volts. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Start the engine without turning on the main power consumers, the exterior and interior lights, heating and ventilation system. Measure the battery voltage again. It should be between 13 and 14.2 volts. If the voltage is significantly higher or lower, the alternator needs to be serviced or replaced. If the voltage is lower than 11.9 volts, the battery is deeply discharged. 3. Wires that are too thin or small. It is possible that the wires used when new window mechanisms were previously installed were the wrong size or thickness. Always use the correct sized wires when upgrading or repairing the window mechanism. 4. Loss of contact. This occurs when electrical connections melt or oxidize. Causes and repair methods for mechanical malfunctions. 1. Damaged control buttons. The buttons usually show signs of wear after long-term use. If this is the case, the control buttons need to be replaced. 2. Gear teeth wear and damage. It drives the cable or the gear wheel. If there's a problem, the gear needs to be replaced. 3. Wire breakage. Wires often break at the bending points between the car door and the body. You will need to remove the interior components and door panel to be able to detect and fix the issue. 4. Worn motor brushes. This may cause the window mechanism to work less effectively or to stop working altogether. In this case, it's best to replace the whole unit. 5. Broken window fasteners or dirt buildup on the window guides. This problem can often be resolved by adjusting the position of the window glass and cleaning the guides. To do this, remove the door panel to gain access to the fasteners. 6. The power window mechanism grease is absent, dirty, or has lost its working properties. This makes it difficult for the mechanism to function properly. Remove old grease residues, clean the components, and apply fresh lubricant. use a dirt-repellent grease for metal and plastic components, and a silicon-based lubricant for rubber components. This preventive maintenance work should be carried out at least once every 12 to 18 months.